Hello everyone. So this video tutorial will help you understand how to use the study board's website in order to prepare for your National Board's dental examination. Step 1 is to create an account. So go to thestudyboards.com and click on sign up. Fill in all the details that have been asked for. Once you have filled all the details, click I agree and complete the sign up by clicking sign up. Once this is done, you will receive an email in your email account that you had mentioned in the enrollment form. So do check your spam folder for this. Now click at confirm the account and your account will be active. Once you have activated your account, now you can enter your email ID and your password and click sign in. You will see this page. This page shows a track record of all the performances that you have had during the tests. As you have not taken any of the tests right now on the website, this is empty. So to take the tests, click on Common Board and then click Active Card. You will also see prompts on your screen guiding you through the website. On the active card, click Show Tasks. These are the tests which are available. So click on the test you want to take.